I think it's very valuable in learning what the industry has as far as our experts, our high-end OEMs, Tier 1 suppliers, what their challenges are, what they're looking forward to as far as advanced technologies, and just being able to take that back to our shop and make sure that we're ahead of the curve. It was very valuable. Either there was a need for our service that we're providing, or there was a knowledge base that we tapped into that otherwise we would never have been in front of. I don't think it would be possible. It would be a long shot to have a one-on-one meeting with the type of people that we met today and yesterday. Some of the roundtable discussions were very interesting, especially in the supply chain arena. But the one-on-ones were valuable. Like I said, I don't believe we would ever be able to achieve that level of in a company, in an OEM. In a prime contractor, it was very valuable for us. You're just learning what everybody else is going through, and you're sharing ideas, sharing what we're looking forward to, what we look as challenges. It's really coalescing of a lot of knowledge base. The team was amazing. All of the team members for Marcus Evans were very helpful and great to work with.